Hey folks, welcome to another episode of DIY Torque Lab. Let's be honest, you didn't come here for my sparkling personality. You're here because you're wrestling with a dilemma as old as time, or at least as old as the internal combustion engine, gas or diesel. We're talking pickup trucks, the workhorses of the American dream, and figuring out which fuel option is right for you. Listen, choosing between a gas guzzler and a diesel-drinking beast is a big decision. It's like choosing between a good friend who's always up for a beer run and that reliable old pal who helps you move without complaint. Both are great, but they excel in different situations. Today we're diving headfirst into the oily bits of this age-old debate. We're talking towing capacity, fuel economy, maintenance costs, the whole 9 yards. By the time we're done, you'll be able to walk into a dealership with the confidence of a mechanic holding a wrench and say, "This is the truck for me." Alright, let's talk pulling power. When it comes to raw, brute strength, diesel engines reign supreme. They're like the Clydesdales of the automotive world, built for hauling heavy loads. We're talking massive torque, the kind that makes towing a boat feel like pulling a rubber ducky in a bathtub. Now don't count out gasoline engines just yet. They've come a long way, baby. Modern gas engines, especially those turbocharged beasts, pack a serious punch. While they might not match the low-end grunt of a diesel, they can still tow impressive loads, especially for weekend warriors hauling campers or trailers. The key here is honesty. What are you really towing? A small camper for family vacations? A landscaping trailer for work? Or are we talking a gooseneck trailer loaded with enough lumber to build a small village? Be honest with yourself about your needs, because choosing the wrong engine for the job is like trying to dig a ditch with a teaspoon. It's just not gonna end well. Let's talk fuel economy, that constant battle between your wallet and your desire to hit the open road. Traditionally, diesel engines have held the crown in this arena. They squeeze more miles out of a gallon of fuel, like a thrifty grandma stretching a single tea bag. But hold your horses, because gas engines are catching up. Modern gasoline engines, with their fancy direct injection and turbochargers, are becoming surprisingly efficient. Plus, let's not forget the price difference at the pump. Diesel often comes with a premium, which can eat into your savings. This is where things get personal. How much do you drive? Are you a long-haul trucker racking up miles like they're going out of style? Or are you a weekend warrior who uses your truck for Home Depot runs and the occasional camping trip? Factor in your driving habits and the price difference between gas and diesel in your area to make the smart choice. Let's face it, owning a truck is like having a pet grizzly bear. It's impressive, but it can get expensive. Diesel engines, with their complex emission systems and heavy-duty components, are notorious for costing more to maintain. Think of it like this: you're paying for that extra power and durability up front. Gasoline engines, on the other hand, tend to be a bit easier on the wallet when it comes to maintenance. Parts are generally cheaper, and the labor costs for repairs are often lower. But don't let that lull you into a false sense of security. Any engine, gas or diesel, will throw a tantrum if you neglect it. The key here is preventative maintenance. Regular oil changes, filter replacements, and keeping an eye on those fluids can save you a mountain of cash in the long run, regardless of what's under the hood. Remember, a well-maintained truck is a happy truck, and a happy truck means a happy owner. When it comes to longevity, diesel engines are like that old pair of work boots. They just keep going and going. They're built to withstand the rigors of heavy use, and often outlast their gasoline counterparts. Think of it like this: diesel engines are marathon runners, while gas engines are sprinters. But don't write off gasoline engines just yet. Modern gas engines are more durable than ever before, and with proper care they can rack up some serious miles. Plus, advancements in technology have made them more reliable, so you're less likely to get stranded on the side of the road with a busted engine. Ultimately, the lifespan of your truck, gas or diesel, depends on how well you treat it. Regular maintenance, using quality fluids, and avoiding abuse will go a long way in keeping your truck on the road for years to come. Remember, a truck is an investment, so treat it like one. Alright, let's talk dollars and cents. When you walk into a dealership, be prepared to shell out a bit more for a diesel-powered pickup truck. They come with a higher sticker price, partly due to those robust engines and heavy-duty components. It's like buying a premium tool. You pay more up front, but it's built to last. Gasoline trucks, on the other hand, tend to be a bit easier on the wallet when it comes to initial purchase price. You can often find some sweet deals, especially if you're not looking for all the bells and whistles. But remember, that lower upfront cost might mean sacrificing some of the towing capacity and longevity of a diesel. The key here is to weigh your needs and your budget. Are you willing to pay a premium for the extra power and durability of a diesel? Or are you looking for the best bang for your buck with a gasoline-powered truck? There's no right or wrong answer here, just the right choice for your individual circumstances. So there you have it, folks. The age-old battle of gas versus diesel trucks. Like any good rivalry, there's no clear winner, just two contenders with their own strengths and weaknesses. At the end of the day, the best truck for you depends on your individual needs, driving habits, and budget. Do you need a workhorse that can tow a mountain, or a reliable companion for weekend adventures? Weigh the pros and cons, do your research, and choose the truck that fits your lifestyle. And hey, if you're still on the fence, there's no shame in test driving both. Get behind the wheel, feel the power, and make an informed decision. Which pickup truck do you prefer, gas or diesel? Go ahead and comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos. See you on the next one.